This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change headlight bulb in Audi A3. Start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal to avoid shorts. Remove the wheel arch liner or access cover to reach the headlight rear. Carefully unplug the wiring harness and twist out the old bulb mount. Insert the new H7 bulb without touching glass, reconnect the harness, and test the light before reassembling panels and reconnecting the battery. To access the bulb, open the hood and inspect the headlight rear cover for clips or screws. If space is tight, remove the wheel arch liner using a 10 mm socket and flathead to reveal the cover. Gently pry off the cover and set clips aside so you don't lose them. Keep parts organized on a clean towel and take photos if you need help remembering placement for reassembly later. If this walkthrough is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more practical car tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings your space to life and can play how-to playlists while you work, set timers for bulb soak, or announce reminders without greasy hands. It's small, affordable, and great for any garage or workbench. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. With the access cover off, press the wiring connector release and pull the harness straight out. Turn the retaining ring counterclockwise to free the bulb and withdraw it carefully from the housing. Avoid touching the new bulb glass and seat it firmly, then rotate the ring clockwise until it locks. Reattach the wiring harness, reconnect the battery, and test the headlight beam alignment before replacing the cover and any removed liners.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.